Welcome to AuctionWorx mobile app training, presented by Systemic Solutions. Sales Report helps you track sales transactions. Sales Report helps sellers view, track, and manage completed sales transactions and their associated invoices and payment records. Let's check the AuctionWorx Sales Report screen. Tap on Account in the footer. Tap on Sales Report. The first thing users will notice on this screen is the sales total, prominently displayed in the top right corner. The seller or the administrator can use the screen as a sales dashboard, where he can see what items were sold, how many units were sold, who bought them, how much revenue was generated. There are certain actions a seller can perform on this screen. Let us look at these. AuctionWorx gives various filters so that user can view only those entries he wishes to see. For example, if the seller wants to see only the listings of a particular buyer or a listing having a specific ID, he can type this information in the respective fields and AuctionWorx will fetch that record in no time. Let us perform a search by entering the listing ID. Tap on Apply Filter. We can see that AuctionWorx has successfully retrieved the requested listing ID. Seller can tap on the product link that will take him to the product details page if he wants to check the complete product information. Seller will create an invoice when a customer's order is confirmed and paid for. An invoice is an official record of the transaction. It helps both the seller as well as the buyer. Seller can choose to void a sale for a number of reasons. Like, for example, in case of system error triggers, if duplicate charges, technical glitches, or suspected fraud flag occurs during checkout, or if the product is unavailable or out of stock, and so on. The Export CSV button allows users to download the sales data into a CSV file. A CSV file is a spreadsheet where data is saved in plain text. It is the universal way to save tabular data. CSV data has a very small file size. It can open in Excel, Google Sheets, Apple Numbers, or even a basic Notepad app. We saw that the sales report provides a centralized view of all sales activities. It helps the seller to track and manage sales with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Watch more of our AuctionWorx mobile app tutorials and master AuctionWorx mobile app.